Welcome to Relocate to Washington State. If you're planning to move to the beautiful Pacific Northwest or just curious about what it's like to live in one of the most vibrant areas of the country,
Lives in Seattle.
It rains 9 months of the year in Seattle.
I know.
you're in the right place. This channel is about making your transition smoother, helping you discover hidden gems, and answering your biggest questions about life here in Washington. My name is Rob. I created this channel to be your go-to resource for everything related to moving to Washington State, whether you're relocating for a job, seeking a change of pace, or looking for the perfect place to call home. I'm here to provide the insights and information you need to make the best decision for you and your family.
You've got to go back where you belong now.
In this channel, we'll dive deep into what makes each area unique, from the bustling tech hub of Seattle to the charming suburbs of King County, and even the quieter scenic spots in Pierce and Snohomish counties. We're talking about everything from the best schools to the hottest real estate trends to what it's like living in different neighborhoods. We'll explore the best neighborhoods for families, young professionals, and retirees, along with the pros and cons of each. If you're wondering what kind of vibe you can expect, where to find the best coffee shops, or even the best trails to explore on the weekends, I've got you covered. I'll also be sharing insider tips on everything you need to know before you make your move. Things like school districts, how they compare, the traffic realities, and what
Damn bus around. That'll end your precious little field trip pretty damn quick, huh? Shit.
and what kind of weather you can actually expect. Because yes, it does rain, but it's not all cloudy skies. I'm here to share stories of people who've made the move, found their dream homes, and built new lives here. Stories of growth, challenges, and what it truly means to be a part of this community. We'll also dive into some of the nitty-gritty details, like navigating Washington's unique real estate market, understanding different neighborhoods, and how to really get the most out of your new community once you're here. Think about this channel as your virtual tour guide. I'm here to answer your questions and share all the information you need without any pressure or sales pitch.
Kevin, honestly, seriously?
I don't know you. You cold called me. You're a total stranger.
I am.
My goal is to help you feel confident and informed as you make your move. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing in-depth guides on different cities, showing you the best places to live based on your lifestyle, and even some of the off-beaten path spots that only us locals know about. Plus, you'll get a sneak peek into what daily life looks like here, from the hustle of the tech scene to the tranquility of our countless parks and trails. If this sounds like what you're looking for, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you have any specific questions or topics you would like to see covered, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Whether you're a first-time visitor or already planning your big move, Relocate to Washington State is here to be your guide to the Evergreen State. From housing and schools to lifestyle and culture, we've got it all covered. So let's get started on this journey together. Welcome to your new home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.